Tensions between Iran and the United States are rising sharply as Tehran issues one of its strongest warnings yet. Officials in Iran have made it clear that any attack on Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei would trigger a full-scale war. This warning comes amid nationwide protests, with citizens expressing angers over economic hardship, rising inflations, and political unrest. Hey viewers, you are watching Das Savera and I'm Manpit Kaur. Tension between Iran and the United States have escalated sharply as Tehran issued a stern warning, saying any attack on Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei would mean an all-out war. The warning comes amid widespread unrest across Iran, triggered by economic hardship, political dissatisfaction, and growing public anger. Iranian officials made it clear that the country's leadership is a red line. Senior leaders stated that targeting the supreme leader would be viewed as a direct attack on the Iranian state and would invite a full-scale military response. The message clearly directed at Washington underscores how fragile and volatile the situation has become. This warning comes at the time when Iran is witnessing intense nationwide protests. Demonstrations have erupted in several cities, with protesters voicing anger over inflation, unemployment, and alleged foreign interference. According to reports, the unrest has turned violent in many areas, leading to thousands of arrests and a rising death toll. Iranian authorities have blamed external forces, particularly the United States and its allies, for fueling the protests. The United States, meanwhile, has repeatedly criticized Iran's handling of the unrest and imposed fresh sanctions targeting Iranian officials and institutions. Washington says the sanctions are aimed at holding Iran accountable for alleged human rights violations. Tehran, however, argues that these sanctions are worsening the economic crisis and pushing ordinary Iranians into deeper hardships. Iran's leadership has also accused the US of pursuing a strategy of regime destabilization, claiming that hostile rhetoric and economic pressures are part of a broader attempt to weaken the Islamic Republic. The warning over Ayatollah Khamenei reflects Iran's efforts to draw a clear boundary and deter any direct actions against its top leadership. Global reactions are being closely watched. Analysis says an open conflict between Iran and the US would have serious consequences for the Middle East and the global security, potentially disrupting oil supplies and dragging regional powers into a wider confrontations. Diplomatic challenges remain active, but trust between the two sides is at a historic low. Inside Iran, security has been tightened. Additional forces have been deployed in major cities, and authorities say they will deal firmly with what they call riot and sabotage. At the same time, Iranian leaders insist they are open to dialogue, but only if it is based on mutual respect and end of what they described as American aggressions. As unrest continues and rhetoric hardens, the situation remains highly sensitive. Whether diplomacy can prevail or tensions spiral further will depend on the next moves by both Tehran and Washington. That's all for now. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, and subscribe our channel.